Ask me question, we no jail. I no go. Anyway, why am I?
You don't go one answer now because you don't get answer to the question.
May I listen to
Number one.
your question?
APC do primary for December. I be they no do for December.
Answer that one now.
No, you talk now.
As na do primary, we no know how visible the primary be.
Una do primary, thank you. I accept. I thank you for accepting. Now, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar can follow contest under the platform of APC to become president or not.
No, ask me that one.
Thank you very much. Thank you for accepting. I really appreciate that you have accepted. Thank you. Now, in people, two foundation where they support, I don't come back on the say that they support Oga Jonah Nkubi. Why are you still delaying? Why not come over? Why not come under the
Chukwudi, I'm a man of change.
Which change?
I'm a man that will stick to change.
The people when be say don't endorse Oga Jonah now.
Chukwudi,
we thank them for their patience.
Chukwudi,
make we take patience from Kaduna.
Okay.
Make we take patience from
Kaduna. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, patience.
Yes.
I bet you part for this matter.
Yes. Listen. Nkubi, I want to talk to you, Nkubi.
Are they here?
Yeah. You say Atiku they change party from this one. Atiku, we were in back of Atiku, and your organ in the change party from APC to this one to CPC to this one. Now your organ they change party fast. So we know they for changing now your organ in the printing.
I will prove that one wrong to you.
Which proof you want?
Wait, just hold on. Right on.
Patience, continue. They fire them.
Yeah. Now your organ in the change from this one to this one to this one to this one. Now in the bring changes for this country. So we don't understand what they do. Now it makes. So we know that for the back of that changing. Now that's what we
change to change party.
Okay. Patience, thank you very much for calling.
Nkubi.
And now also prove I'm wrong to you. The only time we got Muhammadu Buhari change. Now when in the AMPP, we can say, okay, AMPP, okay, I don't contest for AMPP. Now I go CPC.
2-1.
Okay. As you can go CPC. Okay, no be under CPC in day. Where all APC, people come meet and say, come, you go better if all of us, if we join hands together, make sure say we did this three party, make sure say it be one single party with they strong. No be
Which
AMPP, CPC, and ACN.
Nkubi.
As I then, no be them become APC.
Nkubi. 2003.
Maybe then become APC
2003. Under which platform? Oga Buhari contest.
AMPP.
2007. Under which platform in contest?
AMPP.
2011. Under which platform
CPC.
in contest? AMPP no did that time.
Chukwudi.
AMPP no did that time.
Made it very clear. No once. Because even the AMPP they directly give them the support.
Make we take Oga Obiora from Yola.
What are you saying?
Confusion don't enter una midst.
Confusion don't enter una midst. Oga Obiora, good morning.
Good morning, Kobe. How are
you? Good day, fine.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora. I bet raise your voice, more we hear you well.
What you know the talk is, you know this our man Atiku Abubakar. Now the man will get 4 fights. Now the man, do you understand?
Thank you very much.
If you look at APC now 1 man party with that. And only 1 man they control APC as of today, whether it could be agree or not. So Atiku Abubakar don't see waiting there in front. You know, go sit down where you know will get him out. And you know the kind of person will be. So, for him now to send his supporters to go first before he come. Because when they do primary election for this hour, Adamawa, now the people where they are on the top of APC, that the person will he choose, now he win. So nobody go like to say where he will get him out. And you know PDP, the national party. So, and you know too, our politicians, our Nigerian politicians, I'm always saying it, they don't have I know that they don't have truth, but when you look at them, they're always turning like a snake. Because after their primary, they sign one agreement with APC that nobody should become. But with what is going on now, even Konkosoma is no longer comfortable with the party. So that is the Nigerian politicians for you. But at the same time, it's good for us because if they are doing like that, the pharmacists will be getting something from them. So I think he's a man that has fight and you know what he's doing. He will soon come back. So
thank you very much. Nkubi 2-0. Defend yourself.
Okay. May I address with
your voice don't come down.
Wait now, listen now.
Your voice don't come down. Hey.
May I address with Oga talk. This is it. Okay, now. Would they hear?
Remember, say this show,
hold
na
on.
Wazobia show, no speak English show.
Before I go address this matter, I'm going to collect this call from Polycarp. Polycarp, they call us from Enugu. Oga Poly, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Yes.
And good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp. I beg congratulate me, Nkubi. Very soon he go join us for here.
I'm waiting for that.
Thank you. We are waiting.
If the thing we want to talk is true, if it is true, we thank God for Atiku.
Thank you.
Coming back to PDP.
Thank you. Congratulate me, I beg.
Because one problem talk say, if you cannot beat them, you join them. So, and I better say people like Amechi and the other people where they make noise, where come up from PDP to come back. I thank God for that. At least Atiku don't see say in some states have been liberated from Boko Haram. So he can go to the village now and the rest without thinking of Boko Haram coming to attack him. And I congratulate the army once more for the job they are doing there. So all the other PDP members are free to come back. So I know if whether they talk for their meeting, I don't care to know. I don't want to know. It's of no use to us. We want Nigeria to move forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nkubi, join me for Thanksgiving. Join me for Thanksgiving.
Hold on. Okay, me also look at me where am.
No, address what you want to talk first before you dey wait.
Okay, we don't see switches. We don't see switches. That's of article. We don't know how many times they see.
Hey.
But then this particular one, at the 11th hour of this thing of election to hold. Okay, I think they ask myself this question: waiting be that thing where they will probably give out just to make sure say they make him a happy man.
Oh yeah, answer them.
Will affect the country.
Answer them. Now you answer them. Answer them.
Say in the end, now we go there at the receiving.
Not be you. Talk yourself.
Now we go there at the receiving.
Talk yourself.
Because I don't want to believe saying a change or probably na transformation in see. That is why he want say making come back.
I beg, make we take Chukwuebuka. Chukwuebuka, they call us from Makodi. You go talk this thing today.
Chukwuebuka, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwuebuka.
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Nkubi.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning, Nkubi.
Yeah, good morning. Right on, sir.
Yeah, please, about this matter, I want to talk for this matter.
Yeah, they hear you.
Yeah, for this article issue, article don't know what he's doing.
You see,
Thank you.
No, they thank him.
Thank you.
Now your person,
Oga Chukwudi, thank you for that.
Article don't know what he's doing because may article stay one place.
Oh.
They jump from
Thank
this
you.
place to this place. Is it how they will bring change for this country, Nigeria?
Not them, oh, not them.
So, anyway, no advice on Nkubi because now I'm a chairman.
Oh.
No. But then you see me, they try to make it stay one place.
Not lie.
3-1.
You 3-1, waiting.
3-1.
4-0.
It's a lie.
4-0.
No, they claim result of your own.
You know, say,
Chukwudi,
they talk say success gets many family.
No, lie.
But failure, they run for him.
Chukwudi.
You don't they run from him now, oh.
What? We run from waiting.
No.
Chukwuebuka will come now. Fine.
He said make you advise him. Because now on a place in day.
Okay, not be your place won't come.
Nigerians, which our place in
that way that don't
which our place in the come.
But what if that way that don't
Which person
Which
Jesse still wear? Not be una Jesse still wear.
Daniel from Jos. Good morning, Daniel.
Daniel, I beg come free Nkubi, make you come join us.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Thank you. Good morning, no.
This matter talk hot this morning. The key word is say, many people don't see the light.
It's
I know, like the Bible says, prodigal son. All of them don't they return.
5-1. Thank you.
Yes, as those people will come back now from Atiku, they should say the Pt.2. Atiku will be the head, go soon follow suit with that.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
And
very much.
Thank you very much. Nkubi,
I know say before election, very soon you say we go join the camp.
thank you very much.
I'm a man of change.
No,
I'll stick to my change. No, they take me laugh. No, that one, you don't do.
Wait.
At the mention change, why they laugh? Which one cause that
No
one?
be my mouth, I dey take the laugh.
Who they laugh?
I'm laughing my laugh.
You're not laughing your laugh, you're laughing at me.
Is it not the laugh of my laugh?
Why are they laugh here? Not my laugh at the laugh. Why they vex that time?
Why would I say the best?
So why take a personal?
Nkubi.
So now, no just laugh me because
I don't
I'm a man of
I don't
change.
go agree make you turn this thing to fight. You don't use your mouth confess now say una strong man, he no fit dey one place. And yet una give am money, una give am form.
That a strong man, not be your own side he come from.
No be una place he dey.
Oga
Make we take he-ho from Abuja.
Oga, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
The transformation agenda, I greet you.
We can see it. Thank you.
Yes, Oga Nkubi.
Hey, Oga Igo, I hear you.
See, you know what going to accept defeat?
You know what?
I never accept any defeat. It is not over until we see the result.
Oh.
Wait, is it not clear that you are losing your members?
We are not. We
you
still
are losing your
great. We still
members.
formidable, very strong.
If your top men are moving, are following the way of transformation.
I see when contest for president.
I dey tell you, you don't say that place where you dey na dirty dey inside. Now he won't come.
No, I'll not take that from you, Oga Igo.
You know they see am?
Answer
I
the
don't go take that one
question.
from you. No, dirty one. Why you mean dirty?
Now he not true that. See, now transformation agenda we dey follow now. The man don't know say good luck every Jonathan get better agenda for this Nigeria. That is why she say in the support the press body for her.
How many support you want support? Support is we say we don't make a lot. You don't switch how many times? Make it the one place, make we know where in day.
See, you can switch anytime. If they switch, they go the better place. So that the better place they switch, they go. So I want to make you yourself who could be, make you follow. Every day, night you could defeat you for the stadium.
I don't agree. I don't accept that one. I don't accept that, Oga Igo.
Oga Igo, thank you very much. Nkubi.
I'm not going to accept that from you.
Come and join.
You cannot defeat me in any way. Change will take place. Change will effectively take place for this Nigeria. And that change, it go clear for your eyes.
People's Democratic Movement. That People's Democratic Movement now strong foundation of the late Shehu Musa Yar'Adua. And all of them now decided that they support Oga Jonah.
We get Samuel from Kubwa. Good morning, Samuel.
Yeah, my brother, good morning.
Good morning. How Kubwa?
Good morning. Good morning.
We dey fine. How Kubwa dey?
No, Kubwa dey nice.
Okay.
Chukwudi.
Sir.
I bet let me tell your brother Assam. That's where reach bus stop, see motor where they go on each other. New motor and the old motor and which one they go?
Now new one when get AC go even enter. New one when get AC. Oh.
No, because if you follow the other one, you stop you for Kogi Road.
You don't talk them now.
I took away join them. You don't see say better day for that side. They want join.
Oga Samuel, you don't hit the nail for the head. Nkubi, 8-0. No, not even 8. They make mistake. 13-0.
My brother, they join the program.
Thank you very much. I better continue to the watch out. Nkubi, talk 10 Nigerians.
I'll be vindicated over this matter.
They speak English.
No, people will go vindicate me day, and I will still they call.
Chukwudi. You know what this case? You know what this case be? You know what this case be? Person when carry you after he carry you say, who be the person when beat you? Why you they cry? Make we go. I go deal with them. I go do this. I go do that. You call a ginger. You can't wipe your tears. Can't they no? They go. As soon as I can't reach halfway, he can't tell you say, the Bible talk say love your neighbor.
No be betrayal.
As you love yourself.
No be betrayal.
No be una place today.
No be una place.
No be una place today.
No, you come here.
No be una place today.
Come here. Now you won't come over.
No be una place
Chukwudi
today.
happen here in our call. Leave that thing you're saying.
No follow me speak Igbo.
Chukwudi, that's not happen here in our call.
No follow me speak Igbo.
Leave that thing you're saying.
Make we
Leave
take
that
this
thing.
call from Prince. Oga Prince, good from Kaduna. Good morning.
Yeah, Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Prince.
Yeah, Nkubi, at least now you are seeing the difference.
No, I'm not seeing any difference. What do you mean? I'm not seeing any difference.
My advice to you be say it's never too late. At least when a big masquerade don't see the transformation. You understand?
Big masquerade? No.
Yes.
Anyway, I didn't hear you right on.
So it's never too late for you to come back.
I'm not coming anywhere.
You see that seat where you sit down, but what I'll tell you about, you see that seat where two of you sit down. If nobody did there now, as you sit down for that place now, you see say fire won't catch under your seat.
Now lie.
Wait,
nothing
now,
like fire.
Make it easy, Nkubi. You are hot. You are hot.
Now that next seat where you see, where the fire won't catch down with the seat, now you go jump go. So now it happens so. So at least before big masquerade like that go change mind, say won't come back. You don't tire.
Oga Prince, you don't ask yourself, say, what if the aftermath of this change? What if the aftermath of this country changing over? How will take affect you?
Transformation. Our military is trying. So communities upon so they endorse our president. If they don't see transformation, they don't say endorse them like that.
3.
You understand? Check out the strategies.
4.
You see, say Oga Jonah is going in transformation.
5.
You get the message back. So it's never too late for it to come back.
7.
The transformation is going. So we wish this country successful election.
Thank you very much, Oga Prince. Successful election will happen for this country. And all the decisions when Nigerians they don't decide say they go do, he go do.
And that election will bring change.